What up? What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life, another taste test, the Flamin' Hot Mystery Doritos. Let's see what these are. Even though the smell kind of gives it away to me, I don't know if it's the same with my dad. A little butterier than I would have figured.
It doesn't taste spicy.
It's not spicy at all.
What flavor?
It tastes like spicy pickle.
Pickles.
Yep,
It's not pickles.
Your dad said no.
it ain't pickle, but it tastes that way. But it's pretty dang tasty. The bag's all black and ominous. I might actually keep these back here with me. Yeah, funny. But I'm your host, Isaac Rummett. This has been another taste test. Please like and subscribe. Let's eat.
Do you like it?
They're not my favorite Flamin' Hot chips, but they're not the.
What do you think the flavor is?
I said pickle.
It smells mapley.
I know.
I think it's.
I can taste maple and bacon now.
I think it's chicken and waffle.
My dad thinks they're maple chicken and they're spiced Flamin' Hot chicken and waffle chips. Which, if that is the case, then I am keeping these back here with me. I guess I ain't. But yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Rummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.